How to solve the problem of vertical lines on the screen? First, let's test the screen, and we can see that there is an obvious vertical line here. Next, we will use the cable remover and uncover the flex cable. Then we clean the flex cable. Take out our ACF glue and take the required length. Paste it well, pre-press it with electric soldering iron. Okay, let's do the bonding operation next. Our newest bonding machine, equipped with 18.5 inches platform, meet the needs of screens of various sizes. Okay, operation done. Let's test the screen again. The vertical line disappears. It's done.
Nice.